Living in Sugar Land means enjoying warm winters, sunny days, and a strong sense of community, but it also means dealing with intense heat, sudden storms, high humidity, and the occasional cold snap. When your windows aren't built to handle these weather extremes, your comfort and energy bills can take a hit. Choosing the right replacement windows isn't just about looks, it's about protecting your home year-round while keeping it comfortable and efficient. Understanding Sugar Land's climate challenges. Sugar Land's climate puts windows to the test. Long, hot summers bring intense sunlight that can fade furniture and overwork your air conditioner. High humidity can cause condensation issues and wear down poorly sealed windows. Add in heavy rain, strong winds, and occasional temperature swings, and it's clear that standard windows may not be enough. The right replacement windows are designed to work with Sugar Land's weather, not against it. Energy efficiency is a must, not a bonus. With summer temperatures regularly climbing into the 90s, energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Look for windows with low E glass, which reflects heat away from your home while still letting in natural light. This helps keep indoor temperatures stable and reduces strain on your cooling system. Double pane or even triple pane windows with insulating gas between the glass layers are especially effective in Sugar Land. They help block heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer during those occasional chilly nights. Choose materials that handle heat and humidity. Not all window materials perform the same in humid, high heat environments. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Sugar Land homes because they resist moisture, don't warp easily, and require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass is another excellent option, offering exceptional durability and strength, even during temperature fluctuations. If you prefer the look of wood, consider wood-clad windows. They provide the classic appearance of wood indoors while using weather-resistant materials on the exterior to stand up to humidity and rain. Storm resistance and proper sealing matter. Sugar Land storms can arrive fast and hit hard. Replacement windows should have strong frames, impact-resistant glass options, and professional installation to ensure a tight seal. Proper sealing prevents water intrusion, reduces air leaks, and protects your home from wind-driven rain. Well-sealed windows also help control indoor humidity, which is crucial for preventing mold growth and maintaining healthy indoor air quality. Think about sun control and comfort. Large windows are great for natural light, but in Sugar Land, too much sun can quickly heat up your living space. Consider windows with tinted glass or solar control coatings to reduce glare and heat gain without darkening your rooms. Certain window styles, such as casement or awning windows, can also help improve airflow when opened, allowing you to take advantage of breezier days during spring and fall. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best replacement windows won't perform well if they're installed incorrectly. Proper measurement, sealing, and alignment are critical, especially in a climate like Sugar Land's. Professional installation ensures your windows deliver maximum energy savings, durability, and comfort for years to come. A smart investment for your home. Choosing the right replacement windows for Sugar Land's weather extremes is an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value. With the right materials, energy-efficient features, and expert installation, your new windows can help you stay cool in summer, dry during storms, and comfortable all year long, while lowering energy costs and enhancing your home's curb appeal. If you're considering replacement windows, think beyond style alone. In Sugar Land, the right windows are built to handle the climate and make your home a better place to live every day.